like to say about this is the NRI award?
This is a great initiative, and I feel that honoring NRIs is like honoring our own family members who have just gone abroad and given us great name. I always maintain that Indians living abroad are much more Indians in soul and in their being than Indians over here. They maintain the traditions, they maintain the values, they maintain a certain kind of connection with India, and I think they are not doing proud to us only abroad but also in India.
NRIs, they are considered as the international face of a country.
They are, I think, they are international face of our country, and I think, and we have such varied NRIs. We have from so many states, whether it's southern India, whether it's west or east or north India. The culture that we are taking there, the kind of food that we are taking there, the kind of values that we are taking there. So it's not only one section of people. It's India is so varied. So I think that's fantastic.
So Amit ji he's going to be awarded as the global icon of the year. So
Amit ji, what can I say? Amit ji being awarded as a global icon of the year, I think he does represent India. He does represent all walks of life, not only just cinema, but he is phenomenal, and I'm very happy and proud that I have the opportunity of not only sharing screen space with him but also knowing him, and I'm very happy, and I congratulate Times Now and Amit ji and all the other awardees for getting this honor. मैं उनको 28 साल एज ए हस्बैंड जानता हूँ और उससे पहले 8 साल मैं उन्हें एज ए दोस्त जानता हूँ. मेरा सपोर्ट उनको 100% रहेगा, ये तो कोई पूछने की बात ही नहीं.
आपका कोई इरादा इन फ्यूचर?
मेरा कोई पॉलिटिक्स में रहा, एक घर में एक ही मेंबर पॉलिटिक्स में रहे तो अच्छा रहे, वरना फिर ऐसे फंक्शन में कौन आएगा. मुझे आना जरूरी है. ओके, नमस्कार. आगे खत्म.
So after your NRI award, so how do you see NRIs as the people of a country? How do they represent it?
I think they are people who have done extremely well and made themselves as well as the country proud, and it's a good effort to award them, to reward them, to recognize them and their efforts, and to of course make them feel a little special. So I think it's a great effort to have these awards, to give them that little moment of glory and tell them that they are appreciated, their efforts are appreciated.
Okay, Amit ji, since he's from the industry and he's being awarded as the global icon of the year,
right?
So what you would like to say about him?
Well, I think he's a global icon. He's the eternal global icon. There's nobody as magnificent and as wonderful as he is, as a person as well as an actor and an achiever, most importantly. So rightfully so, he deserves that and much more.
What's in pipeline?
There's something happening, stuff happening. As soon as it gets materialized, I will let you know.
Can we just get to know something? I need to say about
what do you need to know? What do you want to know?
The movie, like
yeah, I will. I just, I'm a little superstitious about it. I will tell you the entire thing. Just a little more time and I will be making an announcement.
Okay, guys.
Thank you.
You are here on the occasion of the NRI Awards of the Year. So
yeah.
How do you just feeling? How do you see this event?
I feel it's a fabulous initiative. It is the first NRI Awards, which is, I think, an initiative of Times Now. And I believe in today's times where we are more and more becoming, in very cliched known terms, but a global village, where it's very important that we be exchanging energies. No better people to start with is our own people out there who are representing our country and who to that extent are always rooted back to the motherland. So I believe it's a beautiful initiative to be honouring people who have done us proud and who hopefully remain connected for a long time and help India move far ahead in the coming years.
NRIs, they are just considered as the international face of a country. They just represent that country like that. So how do you just see, what kind of things, such kind of awards can be helpful in their images and all that?
I think I gave my answer in the first answer itself. But yeah, to reiterate, I believe they are the face of the nation abroad. And I'm a traveling musician. I'm a singer who performs a lot across the world. And it feels great to have audiences and a means to reach out our culture and traditions to the whole global village, so to say, to the whole world. And yes, having the conduits, I believe, for a performer, and to just have the ability to even reach out to audiences in the first place outside of my country is very thanks to this community called the NRIs. वो नहीं होते, if they were not around, I would probably not get a chance to step out, except for very small little niche shows where you are more like a little niche eclectic act. The NRIs, I think, the non-resident Indians drive huge economies, have done the country, the motherland, really proud, because they're not an average community. The Indian NRI community, I believe, is amongst the most successful financially and even otherwise, even academically. So they play a huge role in, I believe, ultimately they will play a huge role, and they do play a huge role even determining policy of a certain nation in terms of the bilateral ties between ours. So, okay, I can go on and on. But
what would you like to say about Amit ji? He's being awarded as the global icon of the year.
Oh, I think there's nothing new that I can say that hasn't been said before, but yes, he is unbelievable in terms of being a true icon, somebody who has inspired generations and who continues to do so, and has a voice, has a say, has a point of view beyond his domain, and that's what inspires, I think, all of us in my generation and in the coming generations. He's not merely an actor, he's somebody we look up to on so many fronts that yes, it's an honor to be in the same venue, to be in a place where he is being awarded in this award function.
ऑडियो देखना ऑडियो देखना ऑडियो लगाओ अरे हो गया लगा हाँ भाई ठीक है ना हाँ ठीक है ऊपर
Well, I'd just like to say it's very nice that somebody's taken an initiative to celebrate Indianness outside of India and to acknowledge what the NRIs of the country do. So it's really nice to things that they can bring outside India. So it's great giving them this award. And this is my first time I'm coming to this. बड़ा अच्छा लगा अलग अलग और I think हमारे जो बाहर लोग गए थे Indian feel करते हैं और acknowledge करना बड़ा
दिव्या जी, आप आजकल इलेक्शन का माहौल है, करेंट राजनीति को लेकर के आपका क्या ख्याल है? आप क्या सोचती हैं? आजकल बहुत सारा वाकई बहुत कंफ्यूजन है, आपने फैंस क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि ये बहुत सोच समझ कर करिएगा, अपना लीडर चुनेगा, लेकिन वोट करिएगा जरूर। ऐसा मत सोचिएगा कि मेरा काम नहीं कोई और करेगा। Please do vote very carefully, vote with full responsibility that you are responsible for the company.